The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. So, let me get done with this first. Alright, let me give you guys the deets for the people who just want to know like how does this camping and living in your van thing work out. So, let me be honest. So this is not Netflix. This is like real life, and you kind of have to go after like your gut feelings. And my gut feeling last night was not to sleep out here. Not because I was afraid really, but I just felt like I never wanted to be out here. I can't explain it. However, one of the main things, I think I ended my day a little bit too late. By the time I got here, the sun was already done setting. The mosquitoes were out, so it's kind of a little bit tricky to rearrange my van the way I wanted to. The next thing is I think I might have packed a little bit too much. Like I have a snack box in there with stuff to make breakfast. Honestly, I don't think I want to focus on cooking anything. I just want to eat on the streets. I am for the streets in this series basically. So anyway, there's that. I might have probably bought an additional 5 gallons of water. In truth, it's never bad to have too much water, but in terms of space wise, yeah. I need to build a roof rack for this van ASAP. Anyway, so what I did, I headed back into town, went under like a street light, transferred my files and everything, parked out the van till I got comfortable, went to 2 restaurants in the night to see what they had to offer for breakfast and to see the setup of the other one. So I was like, okay, I'll check out these 2 places tomorrow. And then I actually parked up on the side of the road. There's like almost like a sub road over on this hillside that's off looking into the ocean. So that was pretty cool and kind of not cool because I saw almost every car light that passed by. I heard every car that passed by, but fortunately enough I'm a pretty dead sleeper, so yeah, once I went to bed that was it. And yeah, told myself I was gonna wake up at 5:30. I did not. Actually I did, but it was still too dark out, so somewhere around 7 o'clock that's when I got up, and now we are here. So I just saw somebody go do some, whoa, the fish are running. Yeah, I saw a guy just go do some spearfishing now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jump in the ocean, completely rearrange my van, and then I'm going to take a shower. A little bit nervous, a little bit apprehensive on that because I've never really camped out so much in the open, like cars are passing there and stuff. But I feel proud of myself. I'm gonna be real with you. I feel very proud of myself because this is something I wanted to do for years. I sat around not doing it, contemplating, but now we're here. Anyway, let's go jump into the ocean, get a shower, and then grab some breakfast. Tide out here is kind of strong. I can feel it pushing and pulling me. It's a rough beach, but it's pretty good. Whoa. Alright, so I'm not going to really show you guys me taking a shower for obvious reasons, even though some people would love to learn how to bathe. Anyhow, this is the shower setup that I have. So I have, and this is a 6-gallon water tank. I have an inlet hose, which actually gets the water. It goes all the way up to a pump here. So I like to label stuff so it's easier for me. So in and out. So the water goes into the pump, comes out, and I have some quick connects there, and then boom, have a shower head. So that's basically that. How I like to shower with these stuff here, I like to use, well, I'll show you guys in another video, but yeah, you guys get the idea. I have a shower, it does feel like some form of civilization. That's super important, man. A shower for me, trust me. Guys, there's nothing better than a shower. I feel like a new man. I'm just ready to take on the day. Guess how much water I used? 3 gallons. I used 3 gallons of water, and I did wash my hair. I usually wash my hair every single day. So yeah, there's that. Feeling really good. But unfortunately, the weather is getting quite crappy. Like, trust me, when you don't want it to rain, that is the day that it's gonna rain. However, any day alive, it's still a great day to me. We're gonna head to get some breakfast now. Hopefully them not tell me that breakfast is done, because it is now about 9:05 a.m. so let's head there, and hopefully them have something interesting for us to try in this street food adventure in Jamaica.
That coronation market I want, you find everything the same way.
The home stand mixed with some callaloo paste. They say boiled food like don't you have banana?
Alright guys, so we're here with Chef Tia this morning. This is called Mystic Breeze Bar and Grill. I was saying
Blueberry
Mystic
Breeze
Bar and I was saying that I could hear the ocean in the backdrop, and I feel like I could sleep. How long have you been working out here, or operating the business?
9 years now.
9 years? Wow. So what people know you for? Breakfast or lunch? Or
Breakfast
everything?
and lunch, jerk, pork and chicken.
If somebody will stop us right now, which dish are the hot seller? Like, you know, everybody definitely want.
Which one of the dish?
Mm-hmm.
Pork.
Pork?
Yeah. Curry goat.
Curry goat
Yeah,
and pork. Oh, you have curry goat, but not today?
But no, not today, no.
Not today.
No.
Yeah, I just opened my food a while ago and it looked good. The home style chicken leg
Yeah.
and a callaloo. That's nice. That's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Cool. What started you off on cooking? That's my last question to your mommy or just yourself?
You know, just put things together and taste.
Yeah.
And get a little flavor there, yeah, but me have a little cooking. The whole way I can cook from the family.
True.
Yeah, so that just in the stream out.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go try the food I know. Respect
Yeah, man,
her.
and enough respect too.
Cool.
Yeah, blueberry.
Alright, so I think that this place is appropriately named Mystic Breeze because you can feel the breeze, you can hear the ocean down below. It's amazing. On this little adventure that I'm on, the main thing that I'm trying to accomplish is just
stopping at any place that seems like they might have some decent food. It doesn't have to be anywhere that is, you know, lauded or everybody knows about. I just want to try food from real people. And Tia seems like a really genuine person who just has a love for cooking, and it is an option and a way to, you know, make some money and do something that you love. So that's a vibe. Ooh, nice. Yo. This callaloo is really good. It's not overcooked. Nice snap to it, still fresh. It's really, 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 really good. The home style chicken definitely tastes like home style chicken. Tastes like something like you'd have back in the day back home. The yam is good, soft and nice. As I said, soft and dry. I don't usually see like a whole chicken leg when it comes down to any form of stew for breakfast. It's normally chopped up. But I really don't mind this. I really don't mind at all. At least I know I get a whole chicken leg. You know? So I did a mix of the callaloo and the chicken, and I got some red rose tea, and everything that I got cost me 1,000 Jamaican dollars. So not bad. What I do realize though is like I find that in Kingston you tend to be able to get food a bit cheaper than once you go outside of town. I don't know why that is, but good food, I can live with it. Trust me guys, Scooby-Doo would I want to get the dust off of the bones. So you are the grill chef? Listen man, you say you're beautiful, you're not supposed to run out of camera, you know? Because 10 years, 20 years from now, you're not going to look this good, you know? You have to run on for the camera now. I'm messing with you, but you're the person normally deal with the pork? No? Yeah, do. So, why you have a cutting board over a coal?
That's how we clean it.
You clean? I was about to say that, but okay, clean by fire. I like that. So why not clean that way? Because of the oil them in there and stuff? Burn out the oil them?
Yeah.
Wow. Breadfruit.
Yam, carrot.
Food smell good. Hey, let me tell you. All the bone me chop. Yeah man, food nice one. It's really nice. What kind of soup is this in particular?
Peas with beef.
Peas with beef.
Yeah.
Oh God. Like you want me to come back for lunch. Oh my. So Tia, I realize you would have been the head chef out here, no?
Me? Yeah man,
Yeah,
yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Because you say, oh, she lay in the pot and you have to come and set it straight. Oh my gosh, wow. The custom, I wanted to know, the customer that's normally come here is like tourists or like taxi or people around the community?
No, we have a lot of tourists.
Tourists?
They go to put up these flags, we go there and wash now.
Oh yeah.
And something, yeah. But like out of town, pass by, yeah. More even round here.
That me realize.
Yeah.
Me always pass so all the time pass. But me I do a round country tour just to food them and me stop. I'm glad me stop.
And then the jerk, nice. But eventually, they don't come when they're ready, because everybody come work late. So,
Oh.
yeah.
So the jerk pit over there is being set up.
Yeah, this side is gonna be, this side is the pork side and this one is the chicken.
Okay.
So we do the pork in, we put the pork on the grill raw and put it on slow fire and cook it. So this is original jerk pork. This is not the one that boiled.
Oh.
So when you taste this, yeah, you're getting the original flavor.
So some people normally boil it down
Boil
first
it,
and
so
then.
you know that the flavor gone into the water. So we don't
True.
do that. Yeah, we
Slow
it
cook.
take a time to look both, but it's the best.
You know, say me I go. You know, say me I go come back again
No,
today.
yeah,
I need to try it for real.
no, true.
I was gonna go down that side and try somebody else, but I will stick around for,
Yeah, man,
for
and,
lunch.
and you come and yeah.
Yeah, man, respect that, man. Food nice.
Now this the grapes. I think
Alright guys, so here's the thing. This is one of the reasons why I really wanted to travel so slow, and we were doing it basically overlanding, just staying in the car. Because a lot of the times these things that I really want to see, if I was having to travel, I would just not have the time to stop here and, you know, check these stuff out. So I really want to see how they do the jerk pork from scratch. I want to try some of it. And yeah, I don't think I can have 2 lunches. I don't know how some people do it. I just can't. So I think I'm gonna chill here basically for another day. There is some attractions that I want to show you guys as well. So it's not just only about street food. It could be about the, oh my god. Yeah guys, before I was rudely interrupted by pork. So the pork is on, them cover the lid. It's a slow smoke process right now, low heat. It's gonna take probably some hours. Now back to what I was saying initially. I'm not just only doing street food. I'm trying to check out any little river or, you know, small attractions that I don't have to go off course for. So I know that there's some river close by and also a waterfall stop. So I'm going to have to really figure out my timing, because I need to find another, you know, sleep site or whatever you want to call it at some point. But I have one for now, so I might stick around in this area and yeah, see what other foods they have to offer, man. That's like a jerk sauce.
Yeah, it's a season.
Okay.
The season there. So just let them keep with the chicken, the pork with this jerk.
The dumpling a drop now. Ask a question. Why you do for no make the dumpling tight?
What do you do for make it?
Make it not tight. Now some people say, yo, dumpling tight. What you do?
Me need it tight.
You need it tight?
Yeah.
Really? Why?
Because people don't like soft dumplings. Soft dumplings are nice. Yeah, me used to need dumplings to people on power milk, you know.
Yeah. And then provide firmer.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you eat dumplings, supposed to still stays like dumplings. Yeah, that's true. When it's soft, it's not nice.
Fuck.
But we just have to put a in there. Most of the people them say they don't want.
Dumpling.
Yeah, you hear them say, give me meat and soup. They not want food. But you know, 1 and 2 people say, you can't drink soup without
Yeah, something in
dumpling
there.
and yeah, so you just put a liquor. You might not sell, but the time kind of slow now, so might be through Easter too. Because we realize from weekends the time gone slow.
Oh, with the Easter holiday.
Yeah, I feel it though. When you come on now to Easter now.
Everything pick up back.
Yeah.
Yo, how much hours of sleep you get? Coming to
Me?
think of it, cause I stopped by here last night, you know.
Oh, yeah, you can ask me.
For breakfast for today.
Ah.
Yeah. How much hours of sleep you get?
I
Cause
really know because when they go man fi wrap up and do little something sometime I wanna come have go to bed and try to get up back by 5. You know the little way there?
yeah.
Yeah. On weekend we stay out later.
And you guys open 7 days a week or 6?
6. But really sometimes I really just feel like me come and me just come but rough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always find that people in the restaurant business always a bit tough, cause
Tough man.
early
Also,
morning,
then
late
when
nights.
people call me and a vehicle down here and them a call me and show me say, look my vehicle down here so come work me shop if I even from half day. Couldn't manage.
Wow.
And when the breeze a blow, very nice. The breeze not blow now.
Wow.
Piece of ribs.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's what the people them love.
The rib spot.
Ribs part. Yeah, so we try to cut. Ribs, all of them are ribs.
And the meat where you get is from local farmers or just shop?
No man, local farmer.
Okay.
Shop, no, you can buy.
Too expensive if you buy from the shop down.
Well, and then for me, we take like 5 pigs for the week. So
5 pigs a week? Wow.
yeah, so like we get meat in Friday.
Okay.
Then we have to work it when the inspector.
Hello.
When the inspector can stamp.
Also, the inspector stamp the meat.
Yeah man, so they only work on Wednesday and Friday.
Okay.
No Wednesday, sorry, Tuesday.
What do you have there?
Oh, that
You see
smells
that take
good.
time up- you see that
Yeah,
take
so the
time up-
color take time to catch.
Yeah. Take time.
Yeah, to get tender.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it takes time. That's the only thing about this. Not people have to go. No, you boil the pork, but no. And when the pork boil is too soft, then I get a niceness out there. Now do pork sell other than chicken by far. If you notice, we don't put all the chicken yet. Yeah, because chicken really slow. Everybody, we want no chicken.
Pork them one.
Pork they want, yeah.
You know, so
Even
that pork
already-
them must taste good because pork normally more expensive than chicken.
Yeah man,
So if
yeah.
they want to spend the money, that to taste
Some
good.
people sit and wait. If you know, because as we say, it take time, so sometimes come on the run out, but then they sit and wait on it.
So,
Then they know other places, then now go because of boiled pork, you understand?
so question, you mentioned that most of your cooking style is just put a thing together and make it work, right?
Yeah.
But that more technical in terms of the slow cooking. How you come up with that idea? Just you or somebody teach you that?
No, really, might be able to know that the original jerk shop in Portland, that's the first jerk shop in Portland, is right top side me there, where a brought down building is.
Really?
Yeah, so we used to work with them.
Okay.
Yeah, so we do 4 years with them, 4.5 years with them. That's why we know so much about this jerky. You don't get this jerky nowhere else.
Gotcha.
Yeah, compulsory.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was the original. Everybody come up with a little early something there.
And
Boil
try
the
follow
pork
and not catch it.
and yeah. But this you have to do the right thing.
Facts.
Yeah, come on, find that out. Yeah.
Find out who.
Yo.
All the things about your baby.
Work hard.
Golden brown.
No, this look nice, watch out, man.
Alright. Same time.
Curb, you see?
No issue.
You realize she don't even have to use the machete and slam it down, she just slice. Wow.
So we put this as no, whatever. Put this as skin on that now because we like the skin part. So everybody can get your skin.
So you make sure so everybody get a piece of skin too, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
And we cut it small and nice, we don't want it big and chunky and not look so wonderful, you understand?
Skin panda.
You hear me?
Yeah, the skin pan that.
Skin panda. Come on, original bad charge this one. Yeah man, see there?
Yeah?
Big pork.
Every day.
Every day. Pork make me no run joke, you see me? Yeah, man. Pork make me no run joke. Pork make me ignorant. Yeah, I agree with you on this.
Pork.
This? The best jerk around town.
Sure.
Yeah man, I know if not but I'm not about me talk.
So this is what I've been waiting here for majority of the morning. Now it is in the afternoon for to try out this jerk pork. Not boiled, slow cooked, and a nice hot bed of coal beneath it. Look at that. You realize you can actually get movement from the pork? Look like jerk sauce, just a little bit. Wow. The flavors are nice. And then that smokiness that you're looking for, that is the main thing for any good jerk. Smoky flavor. You're not gonna get that smoky flavor if you cook too fast. Some pork skin. Everybody knows. Fatter the pork is where all of the flavor is. The pimento, the Scotch bonnet. And it's a nice amount of spice. I'm glad we come out to see it.
Can't complain this morning.
I think it's good.
Yeah man. Yeah man.
Rice and peas, govern too.
Everything man. Go for man.
Nothing nicer than seeing your food being made from scratch.
Yeah man.
Ready, fresh. So here, I noticed when you reach about like 11, going to 12, you can get your lunch. Rice and peas ready. In Kingston at other times, lunch always ready late sometime. But the chef is on point. I don't need no rice, nothing with this. Just straight pork flavor more. As my brethren say, let me get ignorant. Go on with yourself, tea.
Bad man. Bad man.
Go on with yourself.
Where is it?
Come on, my man. Morning, I work the tractor, my mind upon this. You think I joke? Yeah. Tell me one. Run joke the man.
The man run out of his van
Yeah, man.
and he will lock the door.
Yeah, man. And 40 me I go and come back right now. Man, I'm going to buy a piece more and I come back.
You know, guys, on this journey, it is really what we call a vibe. You see, a vibe is really a good feeling, and usually a vibe is often for me good or bad. It allows me to make good decisions, and I'm happy that I made this decision. Now, the story that I heard is that the original jerk stop is somewhere up there, but after a time it got run down and such. And for those who want to know, I'm right now in Portland, Buff Bay. And after that one got closed down, like basically the workers from there kind of, you know, went their own separate ways and started their own little stop. Now, I am trying to stop at every single street food stop along the way, but of course, I will stop where my vibe tells me to stop. And I'm certain I'm gonna miss one or two, and that's because I only have one stomach. And of course, you know, we have to budget out our trips. Now, right there you can see I always have my coldest bottle with me. It is one of my favorite travel companions. If you guys want to support the content, make sure that you check the link in the description box and you buy yourself one of these bottles. Now, the reason why I mentioned the bottle is, of course, I'm spending a lot more than usual trying different foods, just living completely off street food. But if I don't have to buy water, I don't have to buy drinks, it means that I'm not spending as much. So a nice healthy option while you're traveling, and a nice travel companion if you're trying to save a buck or two. Anyway, I think I'm going to take up my towel. I hung my towel on a fence over there because I needed to dry out, because you guys know I'm living in a car basically. And I'm just gonna chill here for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna check if the river that's just up the road is still in operation, and chill there for the day, and definitely take a shower for this evening before I pack up to end my day.
Most miserable, but sure customer with security. Open the shop, they close the shop. If the shop don't work, they make nice. He call everybody phone.
Realize that everybody will come here, so I always serious about them food.
No, him terrible. Terrible. So, son, for hard one Sunday, him not live no way.
You go on like you can't cook, so.
You never say me can't cook. I can.
Solo travel has its pros and cons, and the con I'm feeling now is being alone. You see, when you travel with others, you don't see much of a need to get to know anyone else, as you already brought your emotional support. With solo travel, you're driven to connect, but at the end of the day, that connection usually breaks. Now, that can be a good or bad thing depending on the experience you had. And my experience here was a mystical breeze. Now, I did mention about Vibe, and Vibe brought me to a small coconut farm along the beach, like I mentioned in the last video, which is where I was headed to cozy up for the night.
See these? They call these are like Panama. See? So they're huge.
This something in here, so you don't eat them too?
No. This is the like the small tree. Like these.
Oh.
So when it gets certain age, it bursts this,
Yeah.
then it starts to grow. And grow another tree.
Some country, I watch videos where some country that there's something there, but inside it's a white something.
Yeah, they heat
love
it. Yeah, they heat it, but it's pure water.
Pure water.
That preserve the inside.
Wow.
And just like how you come from your mommy and you get the breast milk.
Sure.
Yeah, that's about it.
Okay.
So when you put it down and it grow like this, that's what preserve the tree. So till it starts to grow and then it go. After it fail out,
Yeah.
then the earth start to produce. Then you get to grow more and more. Well, like in the year a year, between 4 or 5 years, can get produced. It start to bear.
4 to 5 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
And the sequence.
But I was wondering this morning, like, so the salt water don't affect the coconut
No,
growth?
it's better for it.
Better?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
You notice how these grow brilliant?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you notice, you look at the chunk. You saw the chunk big?
Yeah.
That's what happened. But these are the three container wash. Through the sea container wash it. Yeah, but those that not wash, if you notice how the chunk huge, that's better for it. If you look up in the tree, so they produce a lot.
You see?
Yeah, that's the sea coast. Because it love the salt and the sand. Keep hot.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's funny what a small conversation and vibe can take you, but I'll share that with you on the next one. Until then, check out this video on screen and remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.